Today we're going to be reviewing the Aurora Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelettes. You can find these at the Dollar General for $1 for 40 wipes. Yes, for 40 wipes. This is a great deal. When you first come upon them, you might think, well, they're probably not that great because you get 40 of them for $1. I mainly got these to set at my makeup table for swatches because that's kind of what I thought as well. And honestly, a lot of times you can find gems in your dollar stores. We all know that. You've all seen my videos, and I've found a ton of hidden gems for $1. The claims on this product is that they clean, condition skin for a radiant glow. They're oil-free cleansing towelettes gently remove makeup, excess dirt, oil in one easy step. Contains vitamin E and aloe. I do want to mention before I forget that these do have a great scent to them. They're like a cucumber scent, even though it's not mentioned anywhere on the package. They smell amazing. I love the way they smell. This is my second package purchased. They do remove makeup really well. Now I will say, if you have like a partial face of makeup, like you're using concealer, powder, and you have eye makeup on, it might take 2 wipes to remove your makeup. But if you have a full face of makeup, you're going to use 3 to 4 wipes. And honestly, don't even, it's not even the biggest deal. These wipes are a decent size. They're 5 inches by 8. They're a bit thin, but they're super moist. I will show you them in a minute. But yeah, they're kind of thin and kind of stretchy. You know what I'm talking about if you use like cheaper wipes before. They remove all your makeup. They're super gentle on your eyes. I was really surprised about that because I've tried a lot of cheap wipes and not all of them have been easy on the eyes. And I do feel like after I've removed my makeup that my skin is cleansed and conditioned. I feel fresh, and these are a good wipe to use like in the morning, like you just want to wipe down your face. Makes you feel just nice and refreshed because they have that nice cucumber scent to them too. Yes, I've definitely enjoyed these wipes. They're probably some of the best dollar wipes alongside of the Pure and Gentle that I've actually tried that actually remove the makeup. I don't care if it takes 4 wipes. It did remove all the makeup. My skin doesn't feel blowed out and burn up because of all the rubbing and stuff, because the wipes are harsh, because these wipes are super soft, super moist, and very conditioning on your skin. I do recommend you guys trying these wipes out. I'll also insert a demo. There's your wipe and the scent on these, you guys. It just smells so good. See, they're kind of thin. And if you haven't tried them, definitely give them a try. I don't think you'll regret it. Even if you just get them for your makeup table to remove swatching or any kind of fallout or makeup mistakes you might have along the way. And I've been using these to remove my makeup now for over a month. They're sporty in here, like I said. And when I use the coconut oil, I'll only use like 1 or 2 wipes too. So they've lasted a long time, you guys. Totally recommend giving them a shot. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell so you don't miss any other upcoming content from me. And check that description box below for additional DollarTree videos.